everyone, welcome back to the Mini Tech Talks. And I'm your host, Dave Affair. Today we are going to talking about how microchips are made. Imagine this, you're scrolling on your phone, watching YouTube shorts, or even just immersed in gaming. But have you ever wondered what makes all of this possible? The answer is microchips. These super smart tiny squares work together to keep your phone, computer, or even your fridge running smoothly. But what might surprise you even more is that these high-tech microchips are actually came from sand. Sounds cool, right? But this isn't magic. Now, let me take you through the process of how sand transforms step by step into these amazing microchips. Step 1. Turning sand into silicon wafers. As we know that sand contains a lot of silicon dioxide, which when purified, it becomes 99.9% of pure silicon. And the silicon is melting into a long cylinder, sliced into thin wafers, and just like that, we have the base for microchips. Step 2. Printing circuit with light. Next, we use photolithography, a process that basically like printing tiny circuit patterns onto the silicon wafers by using light. Imagine it like cutting cookie. We spread a thin layer of material using a stencil, shine light on it, and remove the excess, and leave it behind the circuit design. Step 3. Etching and layering. After we printing the circuit, we use chemical to etch away unwanted parts and add multiple layers of photoresist. And a single microchip can have thousands of layers, each carefully built up to make billions of tiny transistors to work together. Step 4. Cutting, testing, and package. Once the microchips are made, we use the wafer and cut into individual chips and test it for the quality, and then we packaging into a protective casing. When it comes to the packaging, different companies have their own cutting edge technology. For example, TSMC CoWoS 2.5D packaging is widely used in high-end servers, and while Intel's HBM 2.5D technology is applied in graphics and high-performance computing. And looking ahead, 3D packaging is expected to evolve further and leading even more powerful microchips. Finally, your microchips are done, and it's already to install in your phone, laptop, and your fridge. So the next time you're scrolling on your phone, remember, it all starts with a tiny chips that made from sand, and it can power everything from sand to super smart microchips. We know that the possibilities are endless. And as microchips getting smaller, faster, and smarter, who knows the future's hold? Thank you for listening.